All right, let's get down to some serious being a student, learning how to use AI. How about using it as a quizzer? So I might say to AI, for example, act as a computer tutor. I'm a community college student, so I'm a fifth grader. I am a PhD in astrophysics. You just tell it who it is and who I am. I'm taking a beginning computer class. Help me study for my quiz on the subject of Microsoft Word. And I wrote it this way. It's kind of a stilted language, but that way, when you, my students, when you copy and paste it, which I offered you to do into AI, all you have to do is change that last little bit, and then you can have a quiz on whatever you want. And then create multiple choice questions and blah blah blah. And when I get done, if I'm right, say yes, and if I'm wrong, tell me what the correct answer is, and I'll enter stop when done. And you always have to say you go first. It's what we found works much better. So hold on just a second. Let's go play with that for a second. that was that was pretty funny because I went back to Perplexity again, but I've used it. I ask it too many prompts for me to use it free and not have to log in, and I'm not going to log in. So forget that. I came over to Codebreaker EDU, which doesn't have any login. So here we go. Act as a computer tutor, blah blah blah. I just read that to you. So here's the thing. Let's get started with multiple choice questions. Now, let's see if they'll all be multiple choice. What's a shortcut key? Select your answer by choosing the letter if you answer. Okay. So what's the answer? To undo. And the answer is? That's right. Control Z. Z is what? Letter A. A. I'll put small a just so you can see it works. It's the zoom is so large. Oh, this undo. I got it wrong. I'm sorry, Control Z, and the correct answer is A. Control Z, which is a short. What? Isn't that interesting? So I used a capital letter and a small letter and it didn't take it. Okay, let me try again, see if I can do better. Which tab? It's the options for reformatting text like font size, color, style, blah, 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 A, B, C, D. And their answer is A. Let's see if it likes that. Okay. And great job, you're correct, and so and so and so. And I could keep going, or I could just say, I could say, change to short answer essay questions, please. Let's see. You don't know if you won't try. You never know what you'll get. Here we go. Oh, here's a describe the purpose and function of the track changes feature in Word. So now I'm like, maybe I should have said for beginning computer programming in Microsoft or beginning Microsoft Word. So I need to do some iteration, don't I, to narrow it down, get the right answer. Anyway, you see the idea of how it works, and you can have fun playing with it. It's kind of a it'll suck you in and use up all your time because it talks back to you and you can have some pretty fun conversations with it sometimes too. Well, anyway, go try.